Okay. Now farming in Palampur. Okay, so farming in Palampur, that land, first thing which is required, which is essential for farming, that is land, and land is fixed. Okay, so in introduction portion you have to study that 75% of Palampur people, they totally depend on cultivation or agricultural activities. Okay, agriculture is the part of their livelihood, and those people who don't have their own land, they have to work in the land of money lenders, jamidars, and or they're doing their economic activities there. Second point, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Means, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? That means कि village people of Palampur, not only people of Palampur, we can take example of any village people, those who are the farmers. So one question is asking here कि they can produce in their field more than one crop in a year. Okay, so here is it is written there that in kind of crops grown and facilities available, Palampur would resemble village of western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. All land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle during rainy season. Kharif, during the kharif crops, kharif means during the rainy season, which crops, what cultivation done by the farmer, that have to call kharif crops. Farmers grow jowar and bajra. These plants, okay, these plants are used as cattle feed. Then it is followed by cultivation of potato between October and December. In winter season, rabi crops, है ना, for the cultivation of winter season we have to call rabi crops. Rabi crops fields are shown with keep enough wheat for families consumption and sell the surplus wheat at the market at Raiganj. Surplus market, surplus productions means extra productions of their fields. Okay, they consume, they keep for the use of their family members, and whatever extra productions they have, surplus production, whatever profit they got from their field, they have to sell in Raiganj market. Okay, then a part of land area is also devoted to sugar cane, which is harvested once every year. Sugar cane, it's a raw form of jaggery, is sold to traders in Shahpur. Okay, so here is written that yes, farmer can produce more than one crop in their field. Ab here is written reason how they can produce more than one in their field. So what are the main reasons for that? The main reasons why farmers are able to grow three different crops in a year in Palampur is due to the well developed system of irrigation. Most important point, that how they are able to produce more than one crop in Palampur in a year. Okay, so how it is possible in the same field? It is possible due to developed irrigation system. Because in introduction only we have to study that Palampur is developed village. Developed village means full of facilities. Okay, in Palampur, villagers have all facilities regarding agricultural activities, regarding cultivation. Electricity came early to Palampur, which is very important thing, essential need of the farmer. Its major impact was to transform the system of irrigation. Okay, then Persian wheels were till then used by farmers to draw water from the wells and the irrigate small fields. People saw that the electric run tube wells could irrigate much larger areas of land more effectively. Okay, so first few tube wells were installed by the government. Soon, however, farmers started setting up private tube wells. As a result, by mid 1970s, entire cultivated area of 200 hectare was irrigated. Okay, so whatever the facilities given by the government to the farmers, they utilized that facilities. Like we will study in this chapter only about the green revolution, high yielding variety of seeds. Okay, कि for the more production, for extra productions, for surplus productions, farm government provided facilities to the farmers about the high yielding variety of seeds, and sometime for few years government given free of cost also, that the of course farmers, those who are not able to purchase the high yielding variety of seeds which were in high cost and which were very expensive, so the things provided by government to the farmers. The most important thing, that whatever changes occurs in our life, village Palampur people, they accepted, they adopted according to the condition, according to time period. So what question is asking here, ki is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Yes, answer is yes, because we have proof कि how Palampur people, they produce one by one 3 crops in the same field in a year. Okay, so here is wheat, bajra, sugar cane and potatoes are the example of that. Okay, now come to next topic. Okay, so to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during year is known as multiple cropping. ठीक है, अगर हम एक 1 ईयर में मोर देन 1 क्रॉप कल्टिवेट करते हैं अपने फील्ड में, दैट कॉल्ड मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. ओके, मल्टीपल एज नॉन मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. अगर हम सिंगल फील्ड में, सिंगल पीस ऑफ लैंड में मोर देन 1 क्रॉप कल्टिवेट करते हैं, सो दैट नॉन मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. ओके, अगर एक साल के अंदर हम एक से ज़्यादा